have fun while you're doing it. If it's not fun, then you gotta do something else. Because we don't do this for the money. We don't do this for glory. We just do it because we love it and it's fun.
Absolutely beautiful, stupendous day in Georgia. We're at Road Atlanta. I got to meet Larry Chen. 14-hour race, Champ Car Series. It started at like 6 in the morning, I believe, but I wasn't able to get here. It is perfect weather. It is absolutely perfect. I mean, it genuinely can't get any better than this. Sipping a Red Bull under a shady tree, beautiful day, light breeze, cool cars. See them? Them cars are going this way. You got a lot of really cool colors right here. Whoa. Taking this bad boy, I have manually focused to a point where the cars are in focus. So I don't have to worry about autofocus or whatever. But we're gonna put them in the lower third. So if you think of the photos like a grid, like a tic-tac-toe, they're gonna be right on the cross section of the lower third on, I want it framed up to the left. So I can also get the cool colors in the background. They're currently under yellow. I think at full speed, they're going to be very cool. So as I get shooting, I'm gonna put my settings up on the screen and we'll see what we get. Then I went up onto the roof of the Road Atlanta Tower. This was an insane spot. I spent a lot of time here just because it's such a fun spot. So these are some of the shots. Pretty sick. It was pretty cool. Had to go up to the roof, get some good shots. Got some bangers with this, got some bangers with this. So, liking how everything came about. This has been, again, a fantastic day. Let's go hang out in the paddock and see what's going on there. We'll try and get some good shots. Taking a quick sandwich break. Getting some turkey. And then we go into the sunset. Well, it's only like 1 p.m. A couple more hours. Then we go into the sunset. It's gonna be a ton of fun. Hey, yo, this turkey sandwich is kind of banging. Could be the fact that I didn't have to pay for it. Well, I mean, I did, but like at Aldi's, and it was like $2. Also, what are they doing over there? I wonder what they're doing across the street. They're probably getting ready for the event next weekend. All right, so first thing I wanted to ask was, I've been doing motorsport photography for a year and a half. With you being so tenured, the knowledge that you know now, if you were able to go back and talk to yourself, who had only been doing this a year and a half, what's one key piece of advice that you would give yourself?
That's a tough one. What piece of advice? The piece of advice that I give everybody is to just enjoy it, push hard, have fun while you're doing it. If it's not fun, then you gotta do something else, because we don't do this for the money, we don't do this for glory. We just do it because we love it and it's fun, and making friends, traveling the world, take pictures of cars, driving cars, enjoying this culture, that's what we love to do, you know. So a lot of people ask me first right off the bat, hey, what's the way to make money from this? I generally have a response to that. It's more, if you are worried about making money from it, maybe it's not for you. So as long as you can get by, you know, it'll come.
Yeah.
If you're extraordinary and if you put in the hours, you know, people will notice that.
Gotcha. Okay. Do you have a photo that you took or a moment where you just kind of stepped back and that's when you realized that, you know, car photography and car culture was your passion?
It's tough. You know, I've taken millions of photos over the years. I think at one point it was more just about like the love of photography. One story that I always like to tell is all the time when I was at car events a long time ago, when I was just starting out, and I started publishing my photos, people would always come up to me, or at least people that I knew, they would tell me, I can't wait to see the photos. But then I always said to them, wait, I'm literally here watching this live with you. You're seeing these cars in person. Like, you could touch that car.
Yeah.
But you would rather wait to see the photos that I took of this car. And that kind of really, a light bulb went in my head, you know, when I heard, when that happened. And I was just thinking, like, maybe I have something here, you know, maybe what I'm doing and my perspective is unique enough where people will want to see it. So,
gotcha. Thank you so much for that.
No worries.
And then one bonus question. Could you sign my link hood? Thank you so much. As the sun begins to set, we're gonna crack open a brewski and eat on Spectator Hill and just hang out and enjoy the final moments of sunlight. Dude, look at the sky. It's so fucking gorgeous now. What the hell, man? It's been a fun day, man. It's been a really fun day.